Hey guys, Rail Fanner here, and today I'm at 3rd Avenue Northwest Railroad Crossing in Great Falls, Montana. This is on the BNSF spur line, which just goes to an oil refinery, and that's pretty much it. Which it's like over there or something, and that's just the way down towards it. So, yeah. Anyways, the first signal here, it has a safe tram base. And gate, safe tram gate mechanism. Nearest emergency information, the dot number is 927-497F. The lights are safe tram 12 by 24 inch lights. There's LEDs, and there's a better look at the LEDs. Like that. And the gate lights are Rico gate lights there. That was facing north towards the oil refinery I was talking about. And now it's facing south towards Central Avenue and 1st Avenue and the Great Falls Yard, which there's a train just sitting there. So, yeah. Here's this signal here on the other side. It has a safe tram base, but it has safe tram gate mechanism. There's the emergency information right there. The lights are more safe tram 12 by 24 inch lights. And the bell at this crossing is a safe tram type 2 electronic bell. And it has Rico gate lights. Itch. And Rico. I'm not sure if it's your 4-inch or what something, I don't know. And there's the relay case right there. So, yeah. Well, in fact, the relay case has it wrong, like all the rest. Like, it says it's 4th Avenue Northwest, which isn't too well. Like, I think right there, there's an intersection right there, and like kind of lines up with the road. So I'm assuming like it used to go from like over there to here. I'm not sure, but yeah. And yeah, so this is kind of like Benjamin Road and Shelby, or Devon Road and Devon. It's one of those situations. So yeah, that was the 3rd Avenue Northwest crossing in Great Falls, Montana. I'm outpost 0.53. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and I'll see you down the line.